Hi, today I will show you how to use green screen in Premiere Pro. First of all, you need to drag a video to your timeline. Then you have to drag the green screen video you want to use on the higher layer. After that, you have to search in the effects search bar, Ultra key. Click on it 2 times after you selected your video, then click the color picker dropper and click the green screen. I hope I helped you get the result you wanted. Don't forget that if you want more content like this, you can subscribe to the channel.